In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a spreadsheet-style view inside Jira using the JXL app, so you can manage issues just like you would in Google Sheets or Excel. This is perfect if you're tired of switching between Jira and spreadsheets, or if you want faster bulk edits, better visibility, and a cleaner way to manage large projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, install, and start using JXL in Jira. If this helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Jira and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged into the Jira account where you want to use the Sheets view. Once you're inside Jira, look at the top navigation bar. From here, click on the More option, and then select Apps from the drop-down menu. This is where all your installed apps live, and it's also where you can discover new ones from the Atlassian Marketplace. Next, in the Apps or Marketplace search bar, type in JXL. Take your time here and make sure you're searching for the correct app. What you're looking for is called JXL. Sheets, Hierarchy, Structure. This is the app that adds a powerful spreadsheet-style interface directly into Jira. Once you see JXL, Sheets, Hierarchy, Structure in the results, click on it to open the app's details page. On this page, you'll be able to read more about what the app does, see screenshots, and understand how it integrates with Jira. When you're ready, click on the Try It Free button. Jira will now walk you through the installation process. Review the permissions carefully so you understand what access the app needs. This is standard for Jira apps, and JXL needs access so it can read and display your issues in a sheet format. After reviewing everything, go ahead and confirm and install the app. Once the installation is complete, JXL will be added to your Jira instance. Now comes the fun part. After installing JXL, navigate back into your Jira projects. You should now see JXL available as an option, either through the Apps menu or directly within your project views, depending on your Jira setup. When you open JXL, you'll notice that your issues are displayed in a spreadsheet-style layout. Each row represents an issue, and each column represents a field, like status, assignee, priority, or due date. You can click directly into cells to edit values, just like you would in a spreadsheet. This makes bulk updates incredibly fast and easy. You can also reorder columns, apply filters, and work with issue hierarchies in a much more visual way. This Sheets view is especially useful for project managers, product owners, and anyone dealing with large backlogs. You get the power of Jira combined with the simplicity of a spreadsheet all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully installed JXL and enabled a Sheet-style view in Jira. This setup can save you hours of work and make managing issues far more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips, app tutorials, and workflow optimizations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.